Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine part 2 of format feature number 2, paragraph styles, for the Google Doc series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on format and hover over paragraph styles, I can see that there are a lot of options. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the options starting with normal text and ending with options. When I hover over normal text, I can see that I have the choice to apply normal text or update normal text to match. Since I have already selected a section of my Google Doc that has my preferred font and font size, I'm going to click Update Normal Text to match. Now, when I go to another section of my Google Doc and hover over normal text and click Apply Normal Text, the normal text style applies to the text that had been selected. I can apply this situation for any of the options listed under paragraph styles. So I could have a customized normal text, title, subtitle, and various heading styles within my Google Doc. To make certain that these customizations are saved, I need to look at the options section. The first choice is to save as my default styles. So since I have made a customization that I want saved, I'm going to click on this option. Now, when I open up a brand new Google Doc, I should see that my normal text has my preferred font and font size. And I can see that this is the case in my toolbar menu. For the other aspects of options, I'm going to explain them at this time. The second one is use my default styles. This just makes certain that the Google Doc uses the customized default styles that one has added into the Google Doc. The last option is to reset styles. If, for whatever reason, the customizations no longer work for whatever project that is being completed within Google Docs, you can choose to reset the style and all of the paragraph styles will return to Google's default. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.